Hi beautiful friends, can you please help me to find my grandma's house in the middle of the jungle? What's behind the bush? Can we say peekaboo? Peekaboo. Wow, what animal is that? Oh, it's a panda. Panda. Panda.
Panda.
What are the color of the panda? White
White,
and black.
white and black.
Good job. Another friend behind the bush. Can you say peekaboo? Peekaboo. Oh, what animal is that again, friend? It's a hedgehog. Can you say hedgehog? Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Good job. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs starts from the letter H. Hedgehog. Someone's playing with us, friend. There's another one. Oh, can you say peekaboo? Peekaboo. Oh, what animal is that, friend? It's a alligator. Can you say alligator? Alligator. Alligator. If you see an alligator, don't forget to scream, scream. I think this is more fun, friend. Oh, what is that again behind the bush? Peekaboo. Oh, what animal is that? Oh, it's a deer. Can you say deer? Deer. Deer. Deer has a antler. Good job. What's in the bush? What could it be? It's another friend. Can you say peekaboo with me? Peekaboo. Oh, what's that? Oh, what animal is that, friend? It's a eagle. It's eagle, friend. Can you say eagle? Eagle. Can you fly like an eagle? Flying. Someone behind the bushes again, friends. I don't know what is that. Can you say peekaboo with me? Peekaboo. What animal is that, friend? Can you guess? I don't know. Oh, it's a bear. Can you say bear? Bear. Can you say bear? Bear starts from the letter B. Can you say ba? Can you say ba, 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 ba. Bear. What does the bear say? Roar. What's in the bush? What could it be? Can you say peekaboo, friend? Peekaboo. What animal is that, friend? What animal is that? It's a fox. Oh, look, it's an orange fox. Can you say fox? Can you say fox?
Fox.
What is the color of the fox? Can you say orange?
Orange.
Good job. What's in the bush? What could it be? Can you say peekaboo, friend? Peekaboo. Wow, what's that? What animal is that? It's a wolf. Can you say wolf? Wolf. What does the wolf say? What does the wolf say? Can you say wolf?
Wolf.
What does the wolf say? Job. Oh, look, friend. Look what we found. It's our grandma's house. Thank you so much for helping us.